Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'm making tallow balm. As you can see my tallow there, and I'm using a double boiler method. It has already started melting, but I find it's taking long, so I'm going to use my spatula to kind of help it out, like mash it up so it can dissolve faster. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It has already dissolved. Guys, as you know, tallow is cow's fat. Yeah. And I like to choose the one which is around the kidneys. And I normally get the one from a grass-fed cow. It's more healthier to use than the one where the cow just eats other things. So let's start our mixing. And I've chosen to mix it while it's in its liquid form. I find I like the texture of it. Yeah, so we pause. After you mix a while, you pause to scrape out from the sides so that it can mix evenly. And if you want, you can leave it to get a little bit solid before you start the whipping process. You know, as you can see there, it's already getting thicker and thicker. And as it's getting ready, it turns color from yellow to white, almost like when you're making cake. So again, I'm pausing to do the scraping from the sides. You can see that the sides it still looks yellow, and you have to really scrape out even from the bottom, because some of it is still in its solid state, and some of it is creamy. So you don't want, like, when you think you've finished whipping your tallow and you just find that the bottom it's still in its solid form. That's why I'm doing all this scraping. Yeah, and you know, tallow is a deep moisturizer, and I won't say it's for all skin types. I don't know, but all I know is that um, it has helped people that I know who have skin conditions like eczema, and I am making the 100% tallow. What I mean by 100% is I'm not mixing it with any other oil. You know, tallow can be hard, so sometimes when you mix it with olive oil or coconut oil, it kind of helps it to be, you know, a lot smoother. But even what I'm doing there, it's still smooth. Yeah, so again, I've paused my mixer to do the scraping, but as you can see, it's getting creamier and creamier. Yeah, let's continue again with the whipping. Yeah, trust me, somebody can think I'm about to make cake or maybe whipped cream or something, but it is tallow. Yeah, we are almost getting there, because you can see that it's very, very creamy right now. And this is the time when you can add the essential oil if you want to. But I'm not going to do that because I'm making it for somebody who has very sensitive skin. Yeah, so look at that. Wow, look at that. This is lovely. This is the final result. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and thanks for subscribing.